Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change modes on your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset. First, turn on your headset. Once it is on, put it on your head so you can clearly hear the audio feedback. Now let's talk about changing the audio modes. On your Turtle Beach Stealth 600, you will find a button called the Mode button. It is usually located just below the volume dials on the ear cup. Press the Mode button once to switch to the next audio preset. Each time you press it, the headset will move to a different sound profile. You will hear beeps to tell you which mode is active. If you hear one beep, that means you are in signature sound mode. This is the default setting and gives you natural and balanced audio. If you hear two beeps, you are in bass boost mode. This setting increases low frequencies, which is great for music and deep gain sounds. If you hear three beeps, that means bass and treble boost is active. This enhances both low and high sounds, making the audio more dynamic. If you hear four beeps, you are in vocal boost mode. This setting focuses on voices, making it easier to hear dialogue and teammates. You can keep pressing the mode button to cycle through these options until you find the one you like. Now let's look at superhuman hearing mode. This feature helps you hear important sounds like footsteps and reloads more clearly. To turn it on or off, quickly press the power button once while the headset is already on. You will hear a sound confirming the change. And that's how you change modes on your Turtle Beach Stealth 600. Thanks for watching.